Hi, a lot of you all have been asking us about how do we take attendance in a Google Meet. I know that a lot of you teachers out there have been taking online classes for your students, and it gets difficult to keep a track of which student attended which class. So here's a simple way to track your attendance in your Google Meet. I'm simply going to do Google Meet attendance in my Google. Here you're going to see the first link called Meet Attendance, claycodes.org. I'm going to click that. It is going to take me to this page where I have two links with which I can install the extension. Now remember, this can happen only in your Chrome browser. So open your Chrome browser for this. So I'm going to go to my Google Chrome Web Store. Add to Chrome. Add extension. It's going to ask me some permissions. I'm going to simply link data to my current email address. And my extension is ready over here. Once the extension is installed on your Chrome, I will show you how to use it. I'm simply going to go to meet.google.com, or you can go to any meeting of Google that you have. For now, I'm just joining a meeting. So now we are in this active Google Meet. So say this is my virtual class and now I want to take attendance. I'm simply going to go over and open my People tab. And here is my attendance. I can either create a new sheet or a new spreadsheet altogether, or I can add a sheet in my existing spreadsheet. So since this is the first time I'm creating my sheet, I'm going to create a new one. On doing that, it has opened another sheet over here, which gives me the attendance. The sheet has loaded and it tells me the number of participants that were there, the date and time, and also the link of the meeting. What I can do is simply change the sheet to daily attendance. May 2020, and it's going to be saving in my drive over here. I'll show you how it looks in my drive right now. Come over to my drive right now, and this is my daily attendance that I saved from my Google meeting, and here I can access it very easily. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions on this Google Meet attendance, please write to us and we'll try to help you get solutions for those. Thank you.